Crafts that make kids smile. Salt painting. Hi everybody. Today we're going to be making some salt drawings. And what we're going to need is salt, some Elmer's glue, and also some watercolors along with some water to make those work. And here's how we do it. You need to use cardstock instead of regular paper, so it's a little bit of a thicker paper rather than the regular computer printer paper, only because it holds the glue and the salt. How you start is you draw your drawing ahead of time. All I did was trace a bowl and then added a smiley face and some eyes. And then what you're going to do is just have the kids go along the pencil drawing, whatever your drawing is that you're doing. It can be anything. It can be something that you enjoy. It could be your name. It could be anything that your heart desires with drawing that you could put on your paper. And then once you are finished, make sure your glue is enough that it will hold the salt. So if you have a little spots like I just did that maybe weren't as thick, you can just redo that. So you have your drawing, and now I'm going to go over the letter smile, because we always want our crafts to make kids smile. Hint, hint. And then after you do this with the glue, then you're going to add salt over top of it. And you're going to add it similarly to glitter. When you use glitter in your artwork, all you do is just shake the salt onto your picture, and just like you do with glitter, and then shake it off. So we are going to finish these letters up now. Get ready to add the salt, and then I will show you how to bring your picture to life. So here is my salt. All you're going to do is shake it around. I'll do this fast so you can see what it's like. And then once you added your salt, all you need to do is shake this off. I have a paper plate here just to pick up some of the mess. And you'll do this just like you do with glitter, and shake that off of your picture. And there you have your salt drawing. And you can fix spots if they're a little bit not the way that you want them to be. Let me shake that one part off. And then you're ready to add your paint. Now you need your watercolors, and all you're going to do, I'll try to do the yellow around the outside of the picture. And when you do this, they don't necessarily need as much water as they do the actual paint color. So you want to try to mix that in there and make sure you get the yellow in there. And you're just going to color the outside. Let me get some more in here to get it. This is brand new, so we need to add a little bit more in there. And then you're just going to touch whatever sections you want for color. Add some more water in here. And then as you touch it, it will just appear, which is super fun for the kids. They love to see the colors just come to life. And I will color this now and make this fast so you'll get a chance to see what it looks like when it's all done. So we are now finished, and this is your picture that you get to make. and it will dry in probably an hour or so, depending on how fast or how much you draw. But this is your fun picture that you get to do for your salt drawing, and you can make anything you'd like. It's very fun for the kids to make. So I hope you enjoyed this craft, and I hope you will be the reason someone smiles today. Have a great day, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Crafts that make kids smile.